Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let's get started. This question, you have two triangles. ABD is a right angle triangle. All the measurements are given in centimeters. We can see side CD is root 3 over 3 and side AD is root 2 over 2. Says C is the point on BD such that CD is root 3 over 3. AD is equal to BD, so that means the whole length of BD is the same as AD, which is root 2 over 2. Okay, work out the exact area in centimeters squared of the shaded region. So to solve this, I'll work out the area of the large triangle and then subtract from it the area of the small triangle. So let's do the first thing. Area of triangle BAD. It's a bad triangle. Okay. This will be equal to base times height divided by 2. The base and the height have to be perpendicular, but both triangles are right angle triangles, so I don't have to worry about this too much. So I'm going to write this as essentially base times height divided by 2. I'm doing this now so that you don't get confused when I write this out. So the base is going to be AD, which is root 2 over 2, multiplied by BD, which is also root 2 over 2, and then I divide it by 2. Root 2 times root 2 is 2 over 4, and then this will be 2 over 1, so we multiply by the reciprocal, and then that'll be 2 over 8, which is the same as a quarter. Or we can also say, okay, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, which would give us 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 1, which is a quarter. Okay, second step. I'm gonna do it over here. Area of triangle CAD or ACD. Again, it's base times height divided by 2. The base again will be root 2 over 2. The height this time will be root 3 over 3. I'm going to divide this by 2. So this will be root 6 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 2, which is root 6 over 12. Okay. Now part 3. Area of the shaded region. So it'll be a quarter minus root 6 over 12, multiply top and bottom by 3 so that the denominators are the same. So it'll be 3 minus square root 6, which I'll write as a single fraction. And there we go. That's my answer to this question. Thank you for watching.